Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're continuing on with Sample Exam 1 and we are in the last project, which is Project 7. As always, you can get your files from Office Master 19 YouTube channel. So I click into cell F2 and my first question is, in cell F2, use a function that combines the area code and phone number into one cell separated by a hyphen symbol. So what we need to do is go to formulas. We need to click on the drop down arrow on text. We need to click on concat, and now we need to select our first cell, which is D2. So I click into D2, then I press the tab key on the keyboard. Now I type in the hyphen symbol. Now I press tab on the keyboard again and click into E2, and then I click OK. So now you can see it's combined the area code with the phone number separated by a hyphen, and that's the concat function. Now I'm going to drag all the way down to F6, okay? Now question 2 is we need to do something similar. So we need to combine the first name with the last name into one cell separated by a space. So again, I use my concat function. So I click on the drop down arrow on text, I go to concat, I click into the first name in A2, I press tab on my keyboard, I press the space bar, then I press tab again, I click into B2, and then I click OK. So now you can see it's the first name and the last name cells have been combined with a space in between. So now I'm going to drag down again to F6, okay? The next question then is we need to create a chart. So we go to insert and I need to create a donut chart based on C1 to D6. So I highlight C1 to D6, I click insert, I click on the drop down arrow under pie chart because donut is in here. I click on donut. I need to drag it into A7, so I drag it into A7. I need to add data labels to the chart in the next question. So I click on add chart element, drop down, go to data labels and go to show. You can now see the data labels are in there. And then the final question then is we need to change the chart layout to chart style 6. So I'm going to have a look for chart style 6, which is here. So I just click on that. Okay, that's fantastic. That's Sample Exam 1, all 7 projects videos now completed. So we will see you shortly now on Sample Exam 2, Project 1. And as always, thanks for watching and take care.